Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning to watch my videos. Okay, so in today's video we'll be doing a Carseat unboxing. Okay, and at the end of this video, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and kindly leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below, and also on click on the notification bell so you receive notification anytime I upload a new video. So let's get right into the video. So guys, this is the car seat here, and if you live in Nigeria, or I think in Abuja, I see in Abuja, this product is one of the, the fastest, like it's one of the best now. Almost everyone I see around is using LMB products, and to be sincere, they're more cheaper than the rest of the baby gears around. So let's get into unboxing this cassette. I think I need to get up, so let's do this. So this is it, guys. This is the car seat. This is the car seat, the baby carriage. And when we open it, it looks this way. It's quite comfortable. It has this side. It also has here, and then it has this lovely, and then for shade, maybe if you're working under the sun, you can fix this over here. Let me try and bring it down so you can see. So here we are. Here is our baby carriage. This comfortable, and sincerely, this is not even heavy. It's not even heavy at all. Like, I can just carry it with one hand, compared to some, baby carriage you see around. Some of them are so heavy, so you wonder if the baby carriage is meant to carry you, or you have to carry your baby inside. So I